Coming up, people dropping their home insurance as premiums climb. Is this a money-saving idea or a financial risk? We'll dive into it. Nearly 1 million birds and bats are killed every year from wind turbine collisions. As California invests in offshore wind energy, one scientist calls the move, quote, clean energy at a cost. And Americans are feeling worse about the U.S. economy and are becoming a bit more cautious with their spending. We'll take a closer look when we return with NTD News. Home insurance premiums are up, prompting many Americans to get rid of their insurance altogether. But there are risks to not having an insured home. NTD's Faye Quarter describes the worst-case scenario.
The average home insurance premium is up from $1,383 a year in 2022 to over $1,400 in 2023. This is prompting many Americans to drop their policies, according to the Wall Street Journal.
I'm seeing this with acquaintances, people I know who have maybe just paid off their home, or they're retirees that I've met, and they feel like they're in a financial position where they don't have to have homeowners insurance because they no longer have a mortgage.
Laura Adams is an analyst at Finder.com, a website where you can quickly compare home insurance plans from different companies. She says that it's very risky to not have insurance. Experts say few people can financially handle the loss of an uninsured home. It's not just about getting money after losing your home. You may have to pay to remove the remains as well.
Worst case scenario in my mind is that you have no insurance, whether you purposely didn't pay it or you just accidentally let it lapse by not making the payment, and your house burns down and you literally lose everything.
Insurance agent Heidi Moore says most plans cover not only your home, but also the items inside your home. This could include furniture, electronics, and appliances. If insurance is too expensive, Moore suggests getting a less expensive plan.
There are creative ways sometimes to help with making an insurance policy for your home a little bit more manageable financially. You can change liability limits. You can definitely change deductible amounts. So the higher the deductible, typically the lower the payment. But even though we don't really advise insuring your house for less than it would be to rebuild it,
most mortgage lenders require that borrowers have home insurance. If a borrower drops the policy, the lender will likely impose very expensive penalties. They may buy an insurance plan for you and pass the costs on to you. These plans are typically much more expensive than the plans you'd buy yourself. Lenders may also take legal action, raise your interest rate, or demand immediate payment of the rest of your mortgage. Faye Quarter, NTD News.